Viewers, you're watching Kashmir News Bureau. Here goes the top stories of the day. Baramulla police solves blind murder case. Wife among two arrested. Baramulla police claim to have solved a blind murder case and arrested two accused, including the wife of the deceased and another person, allegedly her paramour. Well, in the month of March, Al Muhammad Altaf was found dead near his cowshed in Rangi area of Patan. More than 2 weeks after, brother of the deceased submitted an application for initiating inquest proceedings as the family felt suspicious about the death of Altaf. Investigation was launched, and in the process, the wife of the deceased was put to sustained questioning, during which she disclosed that she, along with another person, committed the crime. As per police, the duo had conspired the murder a month before the occurrence. Here's what SSP Baramulla had to say about it.
एक शख्स जिसका नाम मोहम्मद अल्ताफ़ मलिक था, पटन का रहने वाला, इसकी जो है नैश एक काउशेड के बाहर जो है गिरी हुई मिली, और इसके फैमिली मेम्बर्स ने जो वहाँ पे इसके अज़ीज़ व क़ारिब थे, उन्होंने इसको अकॉर्डिंगली दफना दिया और सारी जो फॉर्मेलिटी है वो कंप्लीट करके ये केस वहाँ पर रुक गया। इसके बाद 22 मार्च 2021 को हमारे पास इसके कुछ जो ब्रदर है, उसने हमारे पास कंप्लेंट की कि उसको इस डेथ में, यानी कि इस मौत में कुछ शक है और ये मुश्तबह जो है वक़ूआ लग रहा है उसको। तो अकॉर्डिंगली जब हमने इसमें छानबीन शुरू करी, तो छानबीन और तफ्तीश के बाद ये पता चला कि जो कंप्लेंट हमारे पास अब आई है, उसके तहत हमको इसमें एक्सहुमेशन करनी पड़ेगी। तो अकॉर्डिंगली डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट बारामुल्ला से इस्तदा की गई और जो है बॉडी का एग्जामिनेशन हुआ, और उसके बाद पूरे पैनल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स ने इसका जो है पोस्टमार्टम किया, और पोस्टमार्टम के बाद जो इंटरिम डॉक्टरी रिपोर्ट हमें हासिल हुई है, उसकी बेसिस पे ये क्लियर हुआ कि ये एक नेचुरल डेथ नहीं थी, बल्कि इसे
Amarnath Yatra Board stops registration. The Amarnath Shrine Board has halted registration for the Yatra this year as the country is witnessing huge spike in COVID-19 cases. The board tweeted, in view of evolving COVID situation in the country and the need to take all necessary precautionary measures, registration for Amarnath Yatra is being temporarily suspended. They also said that they are constantly monitoring the situation and the registration would be reopened once the situation improves. Sitaram Yechury's son dies of COVID-19. Communist Party of India M General Secretary Sitaram Yechury today said that his eldest son died due to the novel coronavirus. It is with great sadness that I have to inform you that I lost my eldest son, Ashish Yechury, to COVID-19 this morning. I want to thank all those who gave us hope and who treated him, doctors, nurses, frontline healthcare workers, sanitation workers and innumerable others who stood by us, Yechury wrote on Twitter. Deadly blast hits luxury venue in Quetta city of Pakistan. 5 people dead, 12 wounded. A bomb explosion at Serena Hotel in the Pakistani city of Quetta, the capital of Balochistan province, has killed 5 people and wounded 12 others. The attack was conducted by a suicide bomber using a car filled with explosives. According to the bomb disposal squad, between 80 kilograms to 90 kilograms ball bearing and C4 explosive material was used in the blast. Reportedly, the Pakistani Taliban said that it was behind the blast in the car park of the Serena Hotel and that it had targeted police officers and other officials. India records 3.14 lakh COVID cases in last 24 hours. 3,14,834 new novel coronavirus cases were registered in the last 24 hours in India, and that is the highest number of cases recorded in days time since the beginning of the pandemic. Well, the country recorded the highest ever single day spike in COVID-19 related deaths as well, with 2,104 fatalities, taking the total death count to 1,84,672. The fresh cases have taken the total number of infections in India since the pandemic began to 1,59,30,965. The country is now the second worst hit country after the United States. Meanwhile, from May 1st, everyone above the age of 18 in India will be eligible to take the COVID-19 jab. Well, that's it for the day. For more stories, visit our website kashmirnewsbureau.com, and for quick news, do follow us on social media platforms. Goodbye.